How to buy DeepSeek AI token on Raydium. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. So you'll be able to buy this token via Raydium. Click on market here. As you can see, you'll be able to sell Raydium. Click on pair link, as you can see here, and you will be redirected to this page. Now, after that, click on trade on Raydium, as you can see, and you will be redirected to Raydium page to be able to buy the token on it. Now, first of all, connect your wallet, as you can see here. So select your wallet that you want to connect to, for example, Trust Wallet. Now, after that, after you connect your wallet to Raydium, if you don't see the token here, go back to this page on token on CoinMarketCap, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now go back to Raydium and click here and make sure to select the Solana as a network from here. As you can see, now after that, paste the token on this here. As you can see, click on this plus icon, click on this icon, and you will be able to find the token here. So from the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, the USDC. Make sure you have enough USDC on your Trust Wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. Now click on more info and read all of that information here, and if you are ready to go, click on solve and you will be able to buy this token on Raydium. So this is how to buy DeepSeek AI token on Raydium. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.